This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, October 11th, 2019. So there I got a call from a customer of mine. She says that she's got water in the garage and the boiler room is inside the house in like a little laundry area. So I'm thinking that maybe it's a relief valve that's piped off into the garage that's dumping water out there. That's what I'm thinking, because you got a laundry room and the boiler's in the laundry room in the house. Kind of a weird place for it, but... And then right on the other side of the wall is the garage. So that's what I'm thinking, it's probably a relief valve. So I might have to put an expansion tank in there. I'll check the expansion tank and the relief valve and try to get some shots when I get there. A little rainy here today. Me and Miss Molly are working again, y'all. Oh yeah, we're working again. Yeah, we're working again.
Because I remember it happened before.
Oh, so it's definitely coming from them pipes, and that's right where the boiler is, right? Yeah.
My brother-in-law is a plumber, and he happened to be here the last time that happened. And he said something about a valve.
Yeah.
Isn't that gray tank?
Oh, they're in the back. Wow, look, it's way in the back there. Holy shit, I don't know if I can get to it. You have to take these shelves out of here.
Oh, man.
Yeah. How am I going to get back there?
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, we're going to have to change that expansion tank.
Yeah.
And that relief valve. Either that or it's coming out this relief valve here. We should change them both. Let me take a look and let me feel on the pipe and which one it is. It might be, you know, if it's this one, we don't have to take the shelves out.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're all screwed in, right? Yeah.
Yeah. But, I mean, obviously, if we have to, we have to.
Let me see if I could feel in the pipe which one it is.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the one that's wet. It's the boiler one. This one's not wet. So it's the boiler. Great. It's gonna be a hard one to get to. Alright guys, I got the relief valve out of there. What a job to get in there. Place the relief valve. And I put a piece of 7/8 holes with a couple of clamps so I can't even get behind, you really can't get behind the solder. I replaced that tank. What a job. I had to lift the old one up all the way up. That's about 5 feet. I had to get a ladder and lift it up over that. Thing's full of water. What a bad spot. Let me get this stuff cleaned up and I'll purge the zones and we should be good. See if the feed is even any good. Everything's off. I can fill it now. Fill it. In the meantime, I'll start getting some of this stuff out of here in my truck. So that hose with the 2 clamps, that'll be fine because that's just dumping in the garage over there. I mean, I could get back there and solder something, but I'd rather use that clamp. What a shit show. Guys, I just took the little relief out of there. Thing's full of water. Just backed it right out. Thing's junk anyway. Hello, Miss Molly. How's my girl? Huh? I'm almost done. Daddy's almost done. Manually open up all these because this is the return Gotta purge them all. Purge them all. I'm gonna shut all these off. These are gate valves. I don't really like these, but hope they don't break. I'm better off just using these as the shut-offs. I'll have to go around and purge all these. Give it a good how you doing. Now, who put this system in?
I have no idea who the plumber was. It was way when the house was built.
It was here? You don't
No,
know?
I say they put it in when the house was built.
So you don't even know who the guy was?
No. They did a horrible job, so.
I wouldn't have used these valves. Sometimes they can snap and the stem will snap off in there and you can't get them out.
Over years, I've thought about taking it out.
Yeah, I don't think I would take it out because the way the chimney is and everything. I don't think there's even a feeder rod in this thing. Yeah, there is. It won't go. I'll take the nut off the feeder so I can give it more of a douche. That nut wasn't allowing me to give it the full bundle, so.
I'm assuming you were talking to yourself.
Yeah, that's all. That's all that money I got in the bank. You never talk to yourself? No.
Yeah, once in a while. Now that I'm by myself, I talk to myself once more.
I'm gonna, yeah.
That's 2011?
Brush lint out of boiler. 2011. I mean, it's 9 years, that long? Holy
Yeah.
cow.
Probably should have you come back and do, I think.
Well, while I'm here, I'll check it.
Might as well.
Yeah.
Could be. Plus, you gotta be sure that you're got enough money to retire on.
Yeah, it's the health insurance that's a killer, you know?
Yeah.
If you don't have the Medicare, you don't get sick or something. It could really be an issue. I'm gonna give them all a good flush.
Okay.
They're all open here, so.
I think it was the igniter or something that my brother-in-law had said was about the only thing that goes on these.
Whoa, you got a little something that got a little leak here. You got a little something to put a towel down or something?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna do all 5 of those and then we'll be good to go. Maine gets more snow, doesn't
Yep,
it?
way up. Yep.
Way up. Vermont.
Vermont, Maine, and northern New Hampshire. And there you go again.
And we open all these valves up. I opened this one already. Turn it back a little bit. These packing nuts are nice and tight. The handles are tight. I open them all the way and then this back a little bit. Place relief valve, expansion tank, and purge zones. There you go.